Hi Hadu, today we're going to draw the flag of Senegal. It's an African country. Alright, so its flag has a rectangular shape. We have already drawn the outlines and it's divided into three segments and it has a star in the middle. The star's colors is going to be the green color. So let's put the green color here for the stars with a sign pen. Okay. Around the green you can see it has a white color in the middle. So let's put the white color. You can see the white color is getting the yellow. Okay, so it's becoming the yellow, white turns into yellow. So in the yellow background you can see the green stars. Let's put the green on the left side. All right, so you can see the green part on the left and the right part is going to be the red color. So let's put the red color here with the crayon. Okay, we're just drawing the outlines very first. Now let's use the pencil to darken the colors on the other parts which is still remained white. Okay, so you can see the color segments. All right, so we're trying to fill up the surface as uniform as possible, so everything is going to be the red and red. Okay, so the flag, this is complete, the flag of Senegal. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.